आज दुईजना गेस्ट हाम्रो साथमा हुनुहुन्छ र दुईजनाको बारेमा भन्नुपर्दा एकजना we know her as a singer, CEO, and she is now kind of model for a song किनकि योभन्दा अगाडि पनि उहाँलाई हामीले देखिसकेका छौँ मेरो माया करोडमा उहाँले गीत लिएर आउनुभएको करिब 1 महिना हुन आँटिसकेको छ र यो गीतको प्रमोसनको लागि she is in the media these days र उहाँ हुनुहुन्छ सोना अमात्य CEO of Full Circle उहाँ सँगसँगै we have a guest from India. He is into academic field, he is into acting. Now he is now going to be a Nepali model, in a way you can say that. He is Govind Singh Bist. Sona ji and Govind ji, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
So how's everything, Govind ji? Welcome to Nepal. I think I have to add that too.
Thank you very much. Nepal has been really welcoming and I love Nepalese over here.
So what of the song? Have you heard any vibe? That song is already hit or not? What do you want to say?
No, it is hit because the kind of comments we are getting on the site, on the YouTube, people are loving this song, and of course it has been sung by Sona and Sugam Pokhrel ji. So now this is loved by all people, not only just in Nepal, in fact in India and a couple of other countries.
Okay, so Sona ji, Indian एकजना बलिउड एक्टर लिएर आउनु भएको छ अनि गाउनु भएको छ हिट सिङ्गर सुगम पोखरेल जीसँग है. सो टु सम एक्सटेन्ट धेरैजनालाई के पनि लागेको हुनसक्छ भन्दाखेरि सोनाजीले किन फरेनरलाई लिएर आउनु पर्यो गीतमा होइन. सागरजी हुनुहुन्छ द्याट्स अलरेडी हिट नेम होइन. अनि कसरी उहाँलाई अप्रोच गर्नुभयो?
उहाँलाई म पहिलादेखि चिन्थेँ. उहाँले आफ्नो इन्ट्रोडक्सन पनि दिनुहुन्छ होला. उहाँ what are you? South Asia director. South Asia director of UCLan University. तर उहाँ एकदम धेरै प्यासनेट हुनुहुन्छ कि एक्टिङमा. उहाँले कपाल अफ सर्ट मुभिज गर्नुभएको छ, फिचर फिल्म रिजनल ल्याङ्ग्वेजेसहरूमा गर्नुभएको छ, म्युजिक भिडियोजहरू गर्नुभएको छ, ब्रान्ड इन्डोर्समेन्ट्सहरू गर्नुभएको छ. र मैले त्यो सुबिसुको एडको लागि मैले उहाँलाई अप्रोच गरेको थिएँ. 2 सेकेन्ड्समा त थियो, हार्डली 2 सेकेन्ड्समा 2 सेकेन्ड्सको लागि मात्रै अप्रोच गरेको थिएँ. अनि उहाँको डेडिकेसन टुवर्ड्स दिस एक्टिङ त्यो चाहिँ यस्तो देखाएको थियो कि. अनि वाइ नट, एन्ड हि इज सच अ गुड लुकिङ गाई, वाइ वुन्ट आई feature him, and he's a friend of mine. अनि त्यो सँगसँगै एकदमै राम्रो एक्टर पनि हुनुहुन्छ उहाँ. र हामीले आफ्नो साथीभाइहरूलाई राम्रो छ भने त डेफिनेटली फिचर गर्ने त सोच्छौँ नि अभियसली. अनि त्यो प्यासन एकदम मलाई चाहिँ एकदम प्यासनेट मान्छेहरू मनपर्छ कि बेसिकली. फोकस्ड हुन्छ, ओके दिस इज वाट आई वान्ट भन्ने चाहिँ आई थिङ्क हि नोज इट. त्यही भएर मैले सागरजी त हुनुहुन्छ नै. हामीलाई अर्को एउटा कथाले नै मागेको थियो, एउटा बस मालिक. मैले हामीले एक्टिङ गर्दाखेरि मालिक पनि भनेको छु, हात पनि जोडेको छु. त्यस्तो खालेको पर्सनालिटी पनि चाहिएको थियो. अनि उहाँले डान्स पनि गर्नुभएको थियो, प्र्याक्टिस पनि धेरै गर्नुभयो होइन. रमाइलो भयो.
Was it difficult for you to sing Nepali lines, because we saw you singing few lines in Nepali as well? You're Indian and you can't speak a word in Nepali, but we saw you singing in a
lip sync.
Lip sync. Yeah.
No, it was a bit difficult, but then let me tell you that my roots are from Uttarakhand, and my nani and my nanaji, they had the connection of Nepal, so that is one of the reasons why I look like Nepali. So it's easier for me when you're talking. I can pick up few words and I can understand what you're talking, but it's difficult to speak the language. But then yes, it wasn't that difficult while in this song, because you were just lip syncing, so it was easy for me.
Who helped you to understand Nepali lines? Because you have to show the body gestures, facial expressions.
Of course, it has to be Sona. It has to be Sona from day one when we started singing or dancing, and also I asked her a lot of times what is the meaning of this song, and then without understanding the exact meaning, you can't enact it, or I can't act it. So she was very helpful and she did that, and then Sagarji also was very helpful.
Okay, so I think only 700,000 ladies on Bassel, right? So
800,000 basically.
Okay, 800,000, and you have a huge campaign going on as a promotional part of the song.
TikTok campaign. तपाईले बनाउनै भएको छैन कि? तपाईँ एकदम एक्टिभ हुनुहुन्छ. No. She is very active on TikTok with उहाँको nieceहरुसँग उहाँको कति. She always does that. But she has not made TikTok in our song. So मैले यो प्लेटफर्ममा भन्दिए कि उहाँले हाम्रो TikTok बनाउनु भएको छैन. प्लिज रिक्वेस्ट गरिदिनुस् उहाँलाई यो TikTok बनाउनुको लागि भन्दिनुस्.
I couldn't do that. किन भन्दाखेरि I saw so many participants, and they were like very good at it. I know, and I felt no, I should not do it. I would look like an idiot if I try on this song because they are planned in a beautiful way. They have shot beautifully. They have a storyline into it, and I thought like I'll be like a noob if I do that.
Everyone has their own charm, own. You cannot compare. Yes, competition हो भने त्यो evaluation performance basis मा हुन्छ होला. तर त्यो गीतलाई एउटा एज दिनको लागि त्यो आफ्नो डिफ्रेन्ट मान्छेले डिफ्रेन्ट खालीको पर्फर्मेन्सहरू त गर्छ नै एन्ड डेफिनेटली यु विल एड सम भ्याल्यू टु इट आई एम प्रिटी मच स्योर अबाउट इट इभन इफ यु आर नट
आई थिंक कति दिन बाँकी छ 3 दिन
5 दिन बाँकी छ 5 दिन बाँकी छ गाइस
गर्नु पर्यो सो यु शुड ट्राई दैट टु किनकि 50,000 बाट आई एम लाइक हाईएस्ट प्राइज इज 50,000
फर्स्ट प्राइज इज 50,000 and Motorola smartphone, that's G9. Second prize is 20,000 and Motorola smartphone. Third prize is 10,000. तपाईले मेरो माया करोडमा गीत मेरो टिकटकमा पनि गएर त्यो अब साउन्ड लिएर बनाउन सक्नुहुन्छ र सँगै सँगै युट्युब च्यानल छ सोना माते SONNAAMATY त्यो सङको कुनै पनि पार्टमा लिएर टिकटक बनाउनुस् र मलाई मेन्सन गरेर टिकटकमा राख्दिनुस् हामी कन्टेस्टेन्ट भनेर चाहिँ हामीले टिकटक नेपालको फेसबुक पेजबाट हामीले अपलोड गर्दैछौँ एन्ड होप टु गेट मोर भिडियोज सकेसम्म धेरै भिडियोज सन्ध्याजीको पनि आउँदै नै छ र सन्ध्याजीलाई फलो गर्ने जति पनि उहाँको फ्यानहरू हुनुहुन्छ उहाँले पनि बनाउनुहुन्छ भने म एकदम पूर्ण विश्वस्त छु
ओके यस किनकि तपाईँले जुन पोस्ट गर्नुभएको हुन्छ मैले टिकटकमा पनि सर हेर्दाखेरि आइरहेको हुन्छ सो आई होप यहाँले चाहिँ एकदमै बेस्ट रिजल्ट निकाल्नको लागि निकै नै स्लिपलेस नाइट बिताइरहनु पर्ने छ भनेर
होपफुली त्यस्तो त होला जस्तो लागिरहेछ हामी अहिलेदेखि इभ्यालुएसन्सहरू गर्न सुरु गर्न थालिसकेका छौँ हामीले
Okay, so coming back to you, people would love to know about you because I've heard that you've done music videos in India, you've done regional movies, Bollywood movies, short films, right? And you're into Nepal and you're also into academic field. So you're everywhere in short, right?
Yeah, because see, I'm working full time for University of Central Lancashire, popularly known as UCLan, which is an English university based out of England. That's my full time job which I do. But then I've always been passionate towards acting, so which is why I started doing my theatre.
How can a full timer can have extra time to work in film?
No, because fortunately I've been working with this university for some time now, and I've got a whole team in the office in India. And I managed
the like, yeah, he's the boss. He doesn't have to act in the music
he's the director,
no.
yeah.
Not really.
Like he was just himself, right?
Yes, in that
just
song.
Like that.
In that song, yes, I was boss, but then so it was difficult for her. Imagine her and saying hello to the boss.
Watching in big screen, it was quite difficult for her because she's also a lady boss.
Yeah. So, but then my university is very helpful, very supportive, and they appreciate such talent and they encourage people. So I have told them that this is what I'm doing. So they were very happy. My boss was very happy to know that I keep doing such stuff. So I've been very passionate towards acting. So I was part of a theatre group, weekend theatre group, and then as you said, short films and a couple of ads and all that. And I keep doing it, and a couple of projects are still we're going to work on those, and then probably next coming months I'll be part of that, and hopefully in Nepal again.
So you're looking forward to make a career in acting in Nepal?
Yes, yes, why not?
For that matter, I think you have to learn Nepali language as well.
Yes, I will.
So let's hear out a few lines of the song.
Here you go.
Okay. I'll try.
Okay.
मेरो घर पर्यो मलाई तिम्रो मन जित्नलाई त्यो मोटी मन मेटिने मेरो नाम लेख्नलाई चिट्ठा पर्यो मायाको पहिलो किताबमा तिम्रो मायाहरूले त करोड मनी पाउँदैन मलाई सितमा.
I think next time I should have him as a timing. You have a good sense of timing, so maybe I might offer you to
chorus.
sing along with me.
Chorus.
Yeah, chorus might be a good idea.
No, I'm bad
So you have always a good chance to bloom in Nepal, seems like that. Because you even can catch the Nepali line, right?
Yes, I can look like Nepali. That's the plus point. I think the best point is that I look like Nepali. So I think
so your look can handle Nepali audience. Your language can handle Nepali audience. Means you can have a good career. You feel like that.
I look forward.
He's gonna throw a party tonight after this interview.
No, I look forward to have more projects in the future, and possibly with friends like Sona and other
There's
guys.
another song too, right, Sonaji?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So
And I'm there.
Ah.
I'm there in it.
Oh yeah.
So I'm not playing a boss in that song, let me tell you. It's just a pure.
We are couples in that
romantic.
song. हाम्रो बिहा भएको छ त्यो गीतमा, right?
It's a lovely song. Yes, again completely different from what we have done. So I'm sure you and others will enjoy.
Yeah, हामीले सानो छोटो ग्लिम्स त हेरेका थियौँ होइन, अनि इन्ट्रेस्टिङ पनि लागेको थियो त्यो इनिसियलको त्यो अलाप जस्तो केसबाट स्टार्ट भएको थियो, एकदमै इन्ट्रेस्टिङ पनि लागेको थियो है. सो कहिले रिलिज हुँदैछ? अब फेरि यो अर्को प्रब्लम पनि होला जस्तो छ होइन, सरकारले हिजोदेखि नै अनाउन्स गरिसकेको छ. अब यो बिचमा अब हामीले तपाईँको पहिलो यो गीतलाई करोडमा गीतलाई त हामीले स्क्रिनमै देखाएको थियौँ, हलमै हेरेको थियौँ होइन. सो अब त त्यो चान्स छैन.
अहिले चाहिँ हामीले एकदम स्मल स्केलमा चाहिँ यसलाई रिलिज गर्ने भनेर सोचेका छौँ. सिन्स हि इज अल्सो हियर, अब 2-4 दिनमा नै हामी यो रिलिज गरिदिइहाल्छौँ, किनभने अब यो एज यु सेड लकडाउनको पनि एकदमै धेरै चान्सेसहरू छ. सो हामी 2-4 दिनमा नै मेरो माया करोडमा र सोचो बेलामा यो गीत मेरो एल्बम छ, मेरो माया भन्ने एल्बमको सोचो बेलामा चाहिँ अब हामी चाँडै नै रिलिज गर्छौँ.
लो किमै गराउनेछ त्यो चाहिँ
इच्छा त एकदमै ठुलो गर्ने थियो, तर अब सिचुएसनले कतिको साथ दिन्छ त्यसको लागि पनि आउनुभयो हो. तर यो अब अनफर्चुनेट सिचुएसन भइरहेछ, हेरौँ कस्तो जान्छ, के गर्न सक्छौँ हामी. सकेसम्म त अब डिजिटल प्लेटफर्मबाट पनि छ अहिले गर्ने त, लेट्स सी. तर डेफिनेटली 2-4 दिनमै नै यो रिलिज गर्छौँ हामी.
Okay, so how long are you going to be here in Nepal?
I'm just waiting for her signal when she wants me to go back. So I'm here till the release of the song, and probably for another 2-3 days, I may have to give some interviews to the people. So not before 29th of this month, I guess.
Okay, so good luck for that. I have a few lines from the song, and I hope you will do the best to make her understand the lines I'm giving you, and we will do it one by one.
Okay.
You better do it nicely.
I'll try.
So good luck to both of you. You have both need to tell each other. Okay, so here I go with your line, Govindji.
What?
It's very easy. I have done
What
it in the
was
song.
that? Like, what is it? Do it again.
I've done it in the song also.
But you cannot do lip sync, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You cannot do lip sync.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just doing what I did in the song.
धेरै गाह्रो पर्यो मलाई तिम्रो मन जित्नलाई.
So she's a keen observer, right? Because she's a creator, she can make a guess, right? So, okay.
One more.
Sonaji, your turn.
Which one?
First one.
I will not do it what I did in a video, but I'll just do it just like that. This is a dumb charade, right?
Yeah. If you can't do it in Nepali, you can do it in English.
Okay, I'll try. So nobody can buy my love.
It's exactly मेरो माया अरूलाई त करोडमा नि दिदिन तिमीलाई
Even if someone gives you crore
He was
rupees.
near to the answer actually.
If someone gives you crore rupees.
But he
and
knows
then
the song, right? So you'll have to say it in Nepali.
But-
मेरो माया.
As far
crore
as
money
possible.
पाउँदैन मलाई सित्तैमा.
Yes.
Exactly.
Is it?
दिदिन
Nice.
तिमी मलाई सित्तैमा.
Same man.
I just connect what I did in the song.
Oh, still just get it.
Okay.
तिम्रो माया अरूले त करोडमा नि पाउँदैन मलाई सित्तैमा. मेरो लाइफ इजी बनाइरहेछ. Which one is it?
It's easy for you.
Which one is it?
Same man.
Okay.
स्वेटर बुनेली.
मेरे हातले बुनेको स्वेटर लगाउला तिम्रै लागि यही जन्मे खाना बनाउला. तर यो भएन कि नेपालीमा त एटलिस्ट भन्नु पर्थ्यो को जित्यो के बेसिकली यहाँ.
I've got bad memory. I can't sing it.
Bad language.
But still तर
But at least I know what you're saying.
So you're gonna
You should
pay the
have-
bills tonight.
Oops. Island act, this is
Easy
something
was
which you
just
did.
do it, I
That's
know
the
that.
easiest.
But like you're doing whatever steps you have it and
So you should remember what I've done. At least I'm not lip syncing.
I watched that video
For
50
many
times,
times.
20 times, 100 times a day. So,
So next time I'll
definitely.
prepare myself. Okay, this one is. I can't change it because this is what you have done.
Salalala, nilo, nilo,
But this is the only thing you can do.
त्रिशुलीको पानीले खोजे जस्तो पाउने भयो मेरो जिन्दगानीले.
So you cannot change it even if you want to.
As
Salalala.
this, it's
Salala.
like, yeah.
Okay. This one. Second last. It is the last one.
Can I cheat?
No, last one I did.
You've done it, right? Second last.
So she is thinking, how will I tell? It's going to be difficult.
Yeah,
for me.
because
You're trying to make it easy. Chitta pare. You me.
Give up.
You me.
give up. Anyways, you're losing. Give up.
But you try it again.
Give up.
Of course, no.
So she's signing. What does that mean?
Check. Money. Lottery.
Where did you? Oh my god.
Letter. Oh, na mite na mera naam.
Yes.
लिखने लगा।
Yes.
See?
Where?
Yes.
Dim dim na mite ne mera naam
Where to
लिखने
write
लगा।
that name?
Heart.
To move to
Yeah.
my yes.
Huh? Heart, yeah.
Exactly.
But you
recall
you
it.
See, I
lost.
tried without
You lost.
understanding. Come on.
You could recall the sense of the song, but yeah, but then again, the language.
Next time you better come with all the lyrics mugged up.
Yeah. I need more time for that, I think. Yeah. I'll do it next time. Yeah. This is the first
So,
one.
yeah, there's another song too. Would you like to show us some of it? नयाँ गीतको के लाइन
नयाँ गीतको चाहिँ हामीले अलिकति सस्पेन्सै राखेका छौँ सोच बेलैमा त्यो सोच बेलैमा नै सिद्धाएको थियो अस्ति तपाईँले प्रोमो पनि देख्नुभयो भने धेरै एकदमै धेरै सर्ट्सहरू थियो तर लास्टमा आएर सोच बेलैमा मै काटिदिउँ दिस इज स्टिल हामीले अलिकति सस्पेन्सै राखेका छौँ to know more about it you'll have to wait a little bit and then हामी छिटै नै चाँडै बजारमा यो लिएर आउँछौँ अनि त्यसपछि
Govinji, you've done 2 songs.
Yep.
Can you pick one of your favorite?
This is going to be very difficult. But if I have to pick one, I have to be very smart. I will pick the one which is going to get released. This has already got released, So if I have to choose, otherwise this song is really beautiful. Both the songs are completely different from each other. This song is very beautiful and romantic number, whereas the other song is very peppy and typical no-joke naughty song. So I'm sure people are going to love it, and the way it has been picturized by Gambhir sir, it's like you will feel like you are watching a typical big masala movie on screen. Yeah.
Okay, family drama types बनाउनु भएको रहेछ गम्भीरजीले नै गर्नुभएको
गम्भीर विष्ट सरले दुईटै भिडियो गम्भीर विष्ट सरले नै गर्नुभयो
अनि गाउनु चाहिँ विवेकजीले भयो
विवेकजीलाई मैले गाउनुस् भनेर 1 महिना कन्टिन्यू प्र्याक्टिस गरेर उहाँले गाउनु भएको
Tough master. Tough taskmaster.
when you come out with a product तपाईँले
yeah.
बजारमा केही पनि निकाल्नुहुन्छ भने त्यसलाई जस्टिफाई त गर्नुपर्छ जस्तो लाग्छ र त्यही अब स्ट्रिक्टनेस भनौँ या भनौँ न अब मेहनत गर्नुपर्छ भन्ने बिलिभ गर्ने मान्छे हो म चाहिँ बेसिकली
If I could say, she's very committed and she has given 100% into it. Whether in terms of the dances that we were doing, me and Vivekji, both of us were not really great dancers, but then we really worked hard, and she was the one who managed everything, whether it's dancing or choreographers, asking them to come on time. She brought food, entire
From home.
the rehearsal that we did for everyone, not just one. Or not just one person, so everyone.
She saved money.
To save money, but otherwise, it's a very nice gesture. You can buy,
Yeah.
when you can spend money, you can buy the stuff from outside, but then cooking it yourself.
She was like,
It is-
save money. I spent like 3 times
Yeah,
more
yeah.
while cooking at home because when you just finish up your thing, you just go and eat too. Like your friend will go and eat.
Yeah.
But it was for all of us. But what I feel is like everybody is so busy. They come from different places, and we actually don't eat out. because like we're pretty much health conscious, so no oil from like we have to have like particular dishes. He doesn't eat. You don't eat out, do you?
No, I do.
Not
but
much.
it's just, yeah.
And we believe like home cooked food is more healthier, and यस्तो कोभिडको टाइममा त झन् बडी स्वास्थ्यको लागि ध्यान राख्नुपर्छ भनेर गाह्रो हुन्छ नि। बिहान उठेर बिरयानी बनाउने, अचार बनाउने, अनि तरकारी बनाउने।
You did it on your own or you just
I make biryani, अरू त हेल्पर्सहरूले यताउता गर्नुहुन्छ, तर यस बिरयानी चाहिँ म आफै बनाउँथेँ।
Okay. Safe, singer and
Chef त
Actor,
and
actor,
CEO.
no, actor. Yeah, CEO, yes,
Yeah, I was
yes,
about to
CEO.
say CEO, yeah.
CEO, actor.
Triple C. Yes.
Oh, this is a good one. I should use it. Triple C.
Yeah, triple
But then
C.
A now, because you have jumped into the world of acting, so CCCA, something like that. And
Okay, let's wait to give her a name.
Yeah.
Unless you do any Nepali movie, I'm not going to give that.
Yeah. Leave something for us. I keep telling her, if you do everything on your own, what will we do?
Yeah.
You have an advantage that you can be a male artist and I am a female artist. So you are not my competitor.
She's saving
in
all the
that way.
females artists work, right?
So in a way it works for me because she's my friend, so possibly next few projects I'll be part of it, whether it's ad world or songs or movies, whatever she does.
That's for sure.
So it proves that you're totally into acting.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please press the bell icon.